Okay, everyone ready for number 2? Let's do it. Okay, for our second experiment, we are going to need a nice large bowl of water and a variety of objects. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to guess when we pop them in the water, like, let me see. I have a ball here. I have a bouncy ball. And I want you to tell me with your thumbs up if you think it will float, or your thumbs down if you think it will sink. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh. Now, it's actually kind of hard to see there. It's kind of floating, but kind of floating quite low. So now you need to have a go at your first one. Okay, now I'm going to take my second object, which is, I think it's a washer. It's a piece of, like a tool from the washing machine. Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I heard it clank down the bottom. That one sunk. Now you have a go at your second object and have a talk to the person with you and say, do you think it will float or sink? Let's go on to number 3. I'm going to shake some of these out because it might start getting a bit full. Now, number 3 here, I have a little piece of sponge, like what you might wash the dishes with. Do you think it'll float or sink? Thumbs up for float, thumbs down for sink. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. It is floating. All right, now you have a go at your third one. Now, I have a very interesting question to ask. When I had the bouncy ball, it kind of floated a bit. We've got a third Lego floating. I want you to have a look at this ball I've got here and think, will it float or will it sink? And let me know by thumbs up, float, thumbs down, sink. Let's see, we've got a big thumbs down from Winnie. A big thumbs up from Sienna. Thumbs down from Billy. Rachel and Jonathan say they think it'll float. Okay, let's have a look. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it is sinking. Can you see that? It's right down the bottom. That's interesting because the other ball floated. I wonder what the difference might be. Any ideas? I'm going to try my other objects and I want you to try the other objects you've got as well. Look, I've got a whole bunch of other things. So each time you have a go, I want you to think to yourself, will this float or will this sink? And maybe you can see things that are similar or things that are different and see what they do. Okay, 3. I've got a peg now. 3, 2, 1. Go. That one's floating. And now a nut. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Right down the bottom. Let's see. Now a shell. There's lots of shells at the beach. Oh, Billy says her cotton ball sank. I wonder if it would float and sink, depending on maybe how wet it is. Now, there's lots of shells at the beach. Let's try this one. I wonder what it will do. 3, 2, 1. That one sank as well.